ready?
I am ready.
I am Gunna ready.
I am Gunna ready.
Hello everybody. Hello. Hello.
I am the best I can do. I am the best. I am the best.
Why do you stand? He said मेरे टीचर ने प्रे में बोला, पीटी वाले टीचर ने ऐसे जीना यहाँ.
Brought to you by My Career Doctor.
Most trusted spoken English and career counseling clinic.
हम स्पोकन इंग्लिश के साथ योगा, फिटनेस एवं पर्सनल करियर काउंसलिंग देकर आपको बनाते हैं स्मार्ट, कॉन्फिडेंट एंड अप टू डेट.
Namaskar, Jai Hind. Tell me one thing, what is the best way to remove hesitation? Can you please tell while sitting, what is the best way to remove hesitation? Keep sitting.
Sir, for removing hesitation, we have to do some activities. Outdoor activities. We have to face the public. Wherever we move, we should create the environment. Like if we go to the restaurant, then we will be able to speak it there, how to place the order, how to ask. We should try it. If we go to the mall, we should always be familiar with that environment and that type of words related to the bargaining or selling and buying.
So that is the best way to remove hesitation.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, do you agree? Yes. Of course, we go there. We have outdoor activities like you see this. We must go there. We will implement as soon as it is possible. But right now, I would like to pick some students and ask them to do some activities. Maybe we activities आपको nonsense लगे, but trust me, those activities will help you a lot to remove your hesitation. I hope you understand. Anand, stand up please. अच्छा, आपकी क्या दिक्कत है? When you try to speak in English, what happens to you?
I try to speak English, but
You get stuck. रुक जाते. You get stuck
yes.
because you have hesitation. अच्छा, what is the reason? क्या है कारण इसके? किस वजह से ये ऐसा होता है?
Sir, first problems are in this word meaning and translate.
Translation.
Yes.
And third.
Problem.
अच्छा, ठीक है. Please come here. अच्छा guys, you know what? You will see a lot of people are there. They are very good at translations. They are very good at words. They are very good at grammar. Still, they are not able to speak. So, what is the reason? The reason behind this is they do not follow active recall. They make translations only. They do not speak that loudly. They learn words only. They do not learn their uses and how to use them into spoken English. This is the reason. This is the reason they fail to speak in English. Same cargo. 4 years ago, same cargo, still going on. Wow. Achha. So this is the reason people fail to speak in English. So in my opinion, because I have trained a lot of people, very fast, we need to remove hesitation. We need to remove. So to remove hesitation, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Say, I am ready.
I am ready.
I am Gunna ready.
I am Gunna ready.
Hello, Aman.
Hello, Aman.
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 Talk to him.
Hello, Aman.
Hello,
How are you?
I am fine. And you?
I am fine.
What are you doing now?
You speak according to इतनी अच्छी personality and speaking like बच्चा. Speak loudly.
I am doing speak in English.
I am learning English
I am learning English
at My Career Doctor.
At My Career Doctor.
Okay.
Yes. What are you doing?
I am preparing for bank exam.
Yes. Well done. Oh, great.
अरे वाह, आनंद आ गया. Anyways, look at this boy कैसे टेढ़ा टूढ़ा बैठा है. Tell him something. Sit properly.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine.
Very
You?
good.
And you?
I am fine.
What are you doing?
I am learning to.
Learning English?
I am learning English to my career.
At My Career Doctor.
At My Career Doctor.
Yes.
Yes. What are you doing?
Also, I am learning English spoken and
At My Career Doctor.
trusted career doctor.
अरे वाह 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 वाह. gaining confidence. You might have noticed, अभी ये बेचारे शर्मा रहे थे, and when light camera action starts, he also starts. So Anand,
Yes.
stand there, ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Stand. बस तोड़ मत देना बाबू उसको. Do not break that.
Sir,
Come little down. Come little. How much is your weight?
62.
62.
Yeah.
Mine is 42. Stand there. Mine is 72. अच्छा, anyways, so you will speak right now this way. I'm asking you to do some activities that helps you. Normally what happens whenever we stand there in public, तो आपने notice किया होगा जब हमें hesitation होती है तो हम ऐसे हो जाते हैं, ऐसे हो जाते हैं, ऐसे हो जाते हैं, बोल नहीं पाते हैं. So what you have to do is right now you have to make our body correct. हाँ, तो सबसे पहले अपनी जो स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन है, जो जेस्चर एंड पोस्चर है, दैट शुड बी करेक्ट. हाउ मच शुड बी गैप देयर बिटवीन टू लेग्स? व्हाइल स्टैंडिंग यू शुड स्टैंड दिस वे. देयर वाज अ बॉय इन नोएडा, मिस्टर आई फॉरगेट हिज नेम, ही वुड स्टैंड दिस वे एंड ही वुड से हेलो एवरीबॉडी, हेलो हेलो. डर से उनका पैर कांपने लगता. देयर वाज अ बॉय, ही वुड स्टैंड दिस वे. I said, why do you stand? He said, मेरे टीचर ने, प्रेम में बोला, पीटी वाले टीचर ने ऐसे, अरे बोला ये पीटी के टाइम में ना हमेशा नहीं, उन्होंने बोला ऐसे खड़े होने को. And he was a student of class 9. There he was. तो very first we should stand this way. आई बात समझ में?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
और ऐसे आने के लिए आप बोलते जाइए, you have to speak, I am the best I can do, go up and down, up and down, up and down.
मतलब
नहीं, मत सीधा चलना.
Yes, sir.
I am the best I can do. I am the best I can do. I am the best I can do. I am
Very
the
good.
best I can do. I am the 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 best. I am the
अरे
best.
वाह, very good. Come here. Come here. अभी साथ ही साथ आ रहे हैं, both of you come together. लेकिन वो तो कोशिश कर रहा है, आप क्या कर रहे हैं? क्यों नहीं आते हैं रेगुलर? आपके पिताजी अगर देख रहे हैं तो मैं उनसे भी कह रहा हूँ कि सर देखिए, कोचिंग नहीं आता है. ऋतिक, आपका नाम क्या है ये भी बता दीजिए. गुड.
Yes.
तो अब मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ वो आप बोलेंगे. आई विल टेल यू हिंदी, यू विल टेल इन इंग्लिश. इज दैट ओके?
Okay.
दोस्तों मेरा नाम आनंद है.
दोस्तों मेरा नाम आनंद है.
इन इंग्लिश.
Friends, my name is Anand.
Friends, my name is Anand Kumar Singh.
मैं बिजुलिया बहेरी दरभंगा से.
I live at.
नॉट एट, आई एम फ्रॉम
I am from Bahari. बिजुलिया दरभंगा.
दरभंगा.
Yes.
मेरे पिताजी
My father
एक बिजनेसमैन है.
a businessman. Sorry. My father is a businessman.
मेरी माताजी एक घर गृहिणी है.
My mother is a homemaker.
माई मदर इज अ, जब नाम बोलेंगे तब बोलेंगे ना, माई मदर्स नेम इज, नहीं तो क्या बोलेंगे?
My mother.
माई मदर इज अ
My mother is a
homemaker.
homemaker. Yes.
हमारे घर में 6 लोग हैं.
My family. There are 6 members in my family.
हाँ, बना रहा है ना, यही तरीका. अच्छा, बच्चों को ऐसे ऐसे बॉल दीजिए, गुलकौआ बॉल. You know, this ऐसे जो बचपन में, you know, जब when we play cricket we give this, so ये this is called that. ऐसे करके वो बोलेगा, you know that ball. Have you ever played cricket?
Yeah.
Okay, तो ज्योति tell me a question. Nobody else will speak. कोई नहीं बोलेगा. How many balls are there in a over? एक ओवर में कितने बॉल होते हैं?
1.
No. अरे वाह, ज्योति पास द एग्जाम. She is very smart. अरे भाई, भाटी जी, how many balls are there in a over?
6.
अरे वाह. One.
I lost one. Yeah, no 6 ball.
अच्छा ठीक है, नो इशू. तो मैं
I
ग्रेजुएट हो रहा हूँ.
am a graduate.
I'm doing graduate.
I'm doing graduate.
ग्रेजुएट.
Yes.
अच्छा, माई करियर डॉक्टर में अंग्रेजी सीखता हूँ.
I am learning English to my career.
At my career.
At my career doctor.
I am fine.
How do you do the answer is also, don't put it down.
Hello, Anand.
Hello.
How are you?
Yes.
How are you?
I am fine.
Go and talk to that girl in English. Go. Yeah. This way. ऐसे को क्या बोलते हैं?
This
way.
Do you love Sarah?
Hello, Jyoti.
Hi,
How are you?
fine.
Yes.
Are you laughing? Why are you laughing?
My laughing.
It's okay now.
Yes, okay.
Then, go.
Talk to sir.
Not like that. Hello, sir.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm good. How are you? What about you?
And I'm fine.
Okay, what are you doing nowadays?
I'm learning English at My Career Doctor.
Okay, apart from learning English,
Yes.
what you do? What do you do?
I'm doing nothing, but
Lots of students.
I'm doing nothing. I'm a student.
Sorry?
Yes, sir.
I'm a student.
Lots of students.
You are a student.
Yes.
Why you
Okay.
left?
What are you?
I love Bihar.
Which
That's why you left.
standard you are in?
I'm studying.
My village is in my
Family?
family.
अरे नालायक.
My
My home is in my village.
my home is
In my village. और मेरा गांव मेरे जिले में है.
My village in my district.
In my district. और मेरा शहर मेरे राज्य में है.
My city is in my state.
और मेरा राज्य अपने देश में है.
My state is in my country.
तो बताइए मेरा देश कौन सा है?
Then tell me what's my
Which
country
is
name?
my country?
Which is my country name?
बताइए.
India.
Tell English.
Tell me.
Tell me.
India.
What is the name of my country?
What is the name of my country?
India.
Oh, wrong. This is Bharat.
Oh, you are right.
India.
You are wrong.
You are right. Bharat.
Tell me.
Bharat.
This is also India.
वाह. मैंने आपसे कहा ना
I told you.
कि आप गलत हैं.
You are wrong.
आप गलत थे.
You are wrong.
गलत रहेंगे.
You will wrong.
अरे भाटी जी दिल पे मत लीजिए.
What is it, please?
Don't take it hard.
Don't take it hard.
इधर देखिए.
Look at this side.
इस बच्चे को देखिए.
Look at this boy.
ये हमेशा यहीं बैठता है.
He always sit this chair.
He always takes this place. He always sits at the same place. इस बच्चे को देखिए.
Look at this boy.
हंसता है.
He laughs.
इस बच्चे को देख लीजिए.
Look at this boy.
ये ठीक से नहीं बैठता है.
He does not sit properly.
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 इसको बोलिएगा तो बुरा मान जाएगा.
If you ask him, then he will.
He minds if you tell him anything. He minds if you tell him. अंकित जी को देख लीजिए.
Look at Ankit.
अंकित बहुत अच्छा बच्चा है.
Ankit is a good boy.
आज होमवर्क नहीं बनाया.
He did not complete his homework.
आशीष को देख लीजिए.
Look at Ashish.
वो भी नहीं बोलता है.
He does not speak.
वैसे वो बहुत अच्छा बच्चा है.
But he is a good boy.
ललित को देख लीजिए.
Look at Lalit.
ललित अभी अभी आ रहा है.
Lalit is coming right now. Jyoti, come here.
ज्योति वापस जाइए.
Jyoti, go there.
ज्योति इधर आइए.
Jyoti, come here.
Really may come or not, sir?
You should come here. Come here.
Sit here.
यहाँ बैठिए.
Sit here.
Sit down.
Why are you laughing?
Sit, please.
Thank you.
Sit down there.
Sit, please.
आप भी बैठ जाइए.
I cannot sit.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, sir.
ज्योति आप कोचिंग क्यों नहीं आते हैं?
Jyoti, why did you not come to coaching?
Why don't you come to
Why
coaching?
don't you come to coaching?
I always come to the class. Just because yesterday my exam, that's why I'm not coming.
For आप तो 2 दिन नहीं आए थे.
But you did
One day I
not come
prepared my exam.
for 2 days.
Stupid by exam.
अच्छा, which exam? कौन सा परीक्षा?
Which exam?
My honors paper law, subject of law.
Subject of law.
And tomorrow also my exam, honors paper second, corporate law.
ज्योति उठ जाइए.
Jyoti, stand please.
आप भी उठ जाइए.
Okay.
आप भी उठ जाइए. ठीक है. अब now go and take your seats please.